Good morning to all. Let us start the homogeneous differential equation. Homogeneous differential equation for class 12. Let us take one question. Let me explain for taking one question here. Just see. Question number 1. dy dx is equal to y square minus x square by 2xy. This is a homogeneous equation, no doubt. You have to select y is equal to vx. Let us consider y is equal to vx. If I put y equal to vx, then differentiating both sides by using product tool, dy dx is equal to v plus x into dv by dx. Now replacing dy dx as v plus x dv by dx equal to y square means b square x square minus x square by 2xy. Y means vx. After putting here, we are getting 2bx square. Now taking x square common and cancelling, we are getting v plus x dv by dx is equal to v square minus 1 by 2b. Now taking b that side minus b, the LCM, it is coming minus of 1 plus b square by 2b. b and x will be one side by replacing here dv by 1 plus b square, 2b by 1 plus b square dv is equal to minus 1 by dx. Variable separation taking place. After separating the variables, you have to integrate both sides. See, the derivative of 1 plus b square is 2b. Therefore, integration will be log of denominator, that is 1 plus b square, and here minus log x plus, you have to write log c. When it is coming, all are logs, they will write log c. Take minus log in this side. Now plus means multiplication. Log of x whole into 1 plus b square is equal to log c. Okay, taking antilog, we will get x whole into 1 plus b square equal to plus minus c. Okay. Now b is replaced as y by x because y is equal to vx. So what you will get here? X is equal to 1 plus b square equal to c1. That means x is equal to 1 plus y square by x square equal to c1. Finally getting x square plus y square. X square equal to x square plus y equal to c1x, which is the required solution. Okay. Let us go to the exercise part. So many questions are there. Let me explain exercise. Solve. X into dy dx is equal to x plus y. That means x will be divided. So dy dx will be how much? X plus y by x. Just say dy dx is equal to x plus y by x. It is given. Now let y is equal to vx. Let y is equal to vx. Differentiating both sides, it will how much? Dy dx is equal to v plus x dv dx. Replace dy dx as v plus x dv dx, and x plus bx by x, taking x common and cancelling, it is coming 1 plus b. And this side v and this b will cancel both sides. What left here? dv by dx is equal to 1 by x. Now separate the variables. After separation of variables, we are getting integration dv, integrating both sides, dx by x integrate. dv integration is b and dx by x is log x plus c. And putting y equal to bx, that means b is equal to y by x, so y is equal to x into log x plus cx. This is the answer of number 1. Okay. And number 2 question given, just to say, number 2 question given. Let me explain number 3, after that number 2. Number 3 given x square into dy dx is equal to 2xy plus y square. Now divide x square this side. Okay, just see. What is given here question? X square into dy dx is equal to 2xy plus y square. Let y is equal to vx. Dy dx will be v plus x dv by dx. What will get here? Dy dx means v plus x dv by dx, and this is 2x, y means vx, plus y square means v square x square. By x square, taking x square common and cancelling, we are getting 2b plus b square. And this side is b plus x dv by dx. Take b that side, this is b plus b square. Now dv by b, taking common 1 plus b, and dx by x. By partial fraction, we can arrange here like this: 1 by b plus minus 1 by b plus 1 dv. 1 by b integration is log b minus log of b plus 1, and this side is log x plus log c. Here minus sign given. So what is the result? Log of b by b plus 1 equal to log cx. Taking antilog and replacing v as y by x, we are getting y by x by y by x plus 1 equal to cx. Therefore, y is equal to cx whole into x plus y. This is the required answer of the number 3. Okay, let me solve next question. Question number 2, dy dx is equal to x plus y by x minus y. Let's see how to solve. Okay. Your question given, question number 2, just see how to solve. First write what is given, dy by dx is equal to x plus y by x minus, it is given. Let y is equal to vx, let y is equal to vx, differentiate both sides, dy by dx is equal to how much, v into x का derivative that is 1 plus x into v का derivative that is dv by dx. Now replacing dy dx that is v plus x into dv by dx is equal to x plus y means you are vx by x minus vx. Taking x common, it will be x dv by dx is equal to 1 plus b by 1 minus b minus b. Taking LCM, this will be how much? 1 minus b, this will be 1 plus b minus b plus b square. And this side is x dv by dx. So plus b minus b cancel. Therefore, 1 minus b by 1 plus b square dv is equal to dx by x. Okay, dx by x. Now integrating both sides. Integrating both sides, what will get? Just I am doing here. Now separate the fraction. Integration 1 by 1 plus b square dv minus v by 1 plus b square dv is equal to log x. You can write here log x plus log c, that means log of cx. And this will be nothing but dv by 1 plus b square tan inverse b. And this is half log of 1 plus b square equal to log cx. After that, you can replace v as y by x. Therefore, final answer will be how much? Tan inverse y by x. This is 1 by 2 log 1 plus y square by x square equal to log cx. Okay. In this way, this question also completed. Let us go next question. Question number 5 is see what is given here. Question number 5 given, dy by dx is equal to x square plus y square by 2xy. It is given. Let y is equal to vx. Differentiating both sides, this will be dy dx is equal to v into x का derivative 1 plus x into v का derivative dv by dx. Therefore, final answer will be how much? dy dx replace as v plus x into dv by dx is equal to x square plus y square means v square x square by 2x into y equal to vx. And taking x square common, then this will be 1 plus b square by 2b. Now, x into dv by dx equal to how much? 1 plus b square by 2b minus b. Taking LCM, this will be LCM will be 2b. 1 plus b square minus 2b square. How much you are getting? 1 minus b square by 2b. And this side is x into dv by dx. Now you have to separate the variables. This will be 2b by 1 minus b square dv, and this will be this side dx by integrating both sides. After that, what will you get? Whenever derivative or denominator present in the numerator, that means minus, you write minus of log 1 minus b square equal to log a plus log c. Yes or no? So log c you can write this side also. I'm writing log c this side and equal to log x plus log 1 minus b square. B means y by x, that is y square by x square. So log c is equal to log x plus, this will be log of x square minus y square, x square minus y square by x square means minus log x square means minus 2 log x, minus 2 log x. Yes or no? Log x minus 2 log, that will be minus log x, and finally it will be how much? X square minus y square by x. I think it is clear. This side is log c. Log x minus 2 log, this will be minus log x. Log x square minus y square minus log x, it will be by x as per the logarithm property. Now taking anti-log, therefore what will get? X square minus y square is equal to cx. This is the required answer. X square minus y square is equal to cx. Let us go next question. Question number 6, you see what is given here. Question number 6. It is given that dy by dx is equal to 2xy by x square minus y square. It is given. So let it is homogeneous differential equation. Let y is equal to bx. Differentiating both sides, what will get? Dy by dx is equal to v into x derivative 1, that is plus v into 1 x into dv by dx. Now replace dy by dx as v plus x dv by dx. Therefore it will be how much? V plus x into dv by dx is equal to 2x, y is bx by x square minus y means bx, b square, x square. Taking x square common, it will be 2b by 1 minus b square. Now b you take this side left, x into dv by dx. Taking LCM, this will be 1 minus b square LCM, 2b minus b plus b cube. 2b minus b, that is b plus b cube by 1 minus b square. And this side is x into dv by dx. Therefore finally it will be 1 minus b square by b plus b cube dv is equal to dx by integrating both sides. This is the format left. Now you have to separate the fraction. This is 1 by b common, 1 plus b square, and minus b square by b whole into 1 plus b square. And this side will be log x plus c. You can log c also. Log c. Now this is a partial fraction sum. You have to separate, and this side it will be 1 b cancel. This will be left, and right here minus 1 by 2 integration 2b dv, 2 multiplied 2 divided 2b by 1 plus b square, and this is log of cx. Log of cx. Now this will be nothing but 1 by 2 log 1 plus b square equal to log cx. But one policy is here, you have to partial fraction you have to apply here, means a by b plus bv plus c by 1 plus b square. Let would apply the partial fraction form. See here, otherwise you can do another way also. If you break, this is actually partial fraction, you can apply common sense. See, 1 by v minus v by 1 plus b square dv. LCM will be v into 1 plus b square. This will be 1 plus b square minus b square. There will 1 left. It will be more easier. And 1 by v dv means log v minus, you have to write it half. This will be 2b, half log 1 plus b square, and minus half log 1 plus b square equal to log cx. I am doing very short. Log, see here, minus half log this, minus half, that means this will be minus log 1 plus b square, that means b by 1 plus b square equal to log cx. Now log taking antilog both side and putting b is equal to y by x. Then this will be how much? Y by x by 1 plus y square by x square is equal to cx. So what is the result? It will be just the result I am writing here. So y by x into x square will go up, x square plus y square is equal to cx. So finally we get xy is equal to cx whole into x square plus y square. 1x cancel, xy is equal to cx whole into x. This x also can be cancelled. So y is equal to c whole into x square plus y square is the answer in this question. Okay. I have completed a few questions from the chapter homogeneous differential equation. Thank you for today's class.